Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Life Sciences. Please subscribe my channel. Today I discuss about what is blood chemistry. My name is Hasina Sayyed and I tell you about what is blood chemistry. And in blood chemistry we are study in lipid profile, liver function test, kidney function test. First of all, we've seen the definition of blood chemistry. Blood chemistry tests are panel or group of tests that measure many chemical substances in blood that are released from body tissue or produced during the breakdown of metabolism of certain substances. These tests are performed on a blood sample. Now we are going back. In liver function test, we are study about bilirubin, conjugated and unconjugated, SGOT, AST, serum, that's all in the enzymes, and alkyl phosphate, SGPT, serum glutamate, pyruvic transminase, ALT, total protein, albumin, globin. That's all of thing. When doctors are recommended over LFT, many people are think about what is LFT and which organ have this test. This is a liver function test, and kidney function test is our kidney test. They found in urea. Their parameters are urea, creatinine, and uric acid, sodium, potassium, chloride, and total proteins. Now we are going to blood cholesterol. Blood cholesterol, the medical terms for high blood cholesterol is lipid disorder. When our body have a lipid disorder, that is known as high blood cholesterol, and in this disorder we are measuring the blood cholesterol in our body. That is known as hyperlipidemia or hypercholesterolemia. In blood cholesterol, there are many types of cholesterol. There are one talk about most are total cholesterol, high density lipoprotein with the HDL. This is the parameter of cholesterol, and low density of lipoprotein, LDL. Cholesterol often called bad cholesterol. LDL is a low level density, that is known as bad cholesterol. Cholesterol is a fatty substance. That is, what is cholesterol? That's now what is blood cholesterol. Many people think about what is cholesterol. My cholesterol is high, and why my cholesterol is high? Why I have the problem? Why doctor recommend cholesterol test? So that is, cholesterol is a fatty substance that is carried around the body in the blood. The body produces most cholesterol naturally. That it is found in some foods. Lipoprotein carry cholesterol in blood. There are two main types that carry cholesterol to and from cell are called low density level and high density lipoprotein. These two are the way of cholesterol level. The desirable total cholesterol level of adult without heart disease is less than what is the normal value of cholesterol that we've seen. Desirable total cholesterol level are adults without heart diseases, don't have not heart diseases. Normal patients is less than 200 milligrams deciliter, and HDL cholesterol level of 60 mg and above in considered protective against heart diseases, while less than 50 for women or 40 and man is considered as a major risk factor for heart diseases. Blood urea test. Now in kidney function test. Now we're coming in the kidney. The parameter of kidney is urea. Urea is a principal nitrogenous waste product of metabolism, and it is generated from protein breakdown. If your kidney are not able to remove urea from the blood normally, your BUN level rises. Blood urea. Heart failure, dehydrations, or diet high in proteins can also make your BUN level. Diseases or damage can lower than BUN level. The blood urea test, a common blood test, that the blood urea nitrogen does reveal important information about how well your kidney and liver are working. A BUN test measuring the amount of the short is BUN. Measuring the amount of urea nitrogen that is in your blood, you may need a blood urea nitrogen test. The value is 7 to 20 and 2.5 to 7.1 is considered normal, but normal range may vary depending on the different range used to the lab and your age. What's your age and what is the different lab have the different references range, but when your level of urea it is high, low, that's known. Many any another labs, if you are cross match the test, any other labs have high level of urea. Blood uric acid. Uric acid is the parameter of kidney. This is the kidney test. A uric acid blood test, also known as serum uric acid measurement, determines how much uric acid is present in your blood. The test can help determine how well your body produce and remove uric acid. Uric acid is a chemical produced when your body breaks down food that contain organic compound called purines. The uric acid is a very common test, and many people have the high level of uric acid because of their diet. The doctor recommend uric acid measurement, and when your uric acid is high, you have the many problems in your body, because uric acid is a chemical produced when your body breaks down foods and contain organic compounds called purines. If you have high uric acids, that's known as hyperuricemia in the name of disorder. This is the disorder that occurs when you have too much uric acid in your body. High level of uric acid is associated with a condition called GERD. GERD is a form of arthritis that causes swelling of the joints. Mostly people have the swelling in their joints and their uric acid is high, especially in the feet and big toes. Another cause of hyperuricemia is increased cell death due to cancer or cancer treatment. Cancer treatments, many patients have the high uric acid because of their because they have the hyperuricemia. Their uric acid is high because their cell is increased. Hyperuricemia, uric acid cells. The normal values depend on sex. Normal value for women are 2.5 to 7 milliliter deciliter, and for men is 4.0 to 8.5. However, the value may vary based on lab doing the testing. Low level of uric acid in the blood may suggest alcoholism, liver or kidney diseases, or diet low in purines. What's the serum creatinine? Now we talk about serum creatinine level. Serum creatinine level is the test measure the level of creatinine in your blood and provide an estimate of how well your kidney filter. Glomerular filtration rate. A creatinine urine test can measure creatinine in your urine. Creatinine is a waste product which is found in your muscles breakdowns. Creatinine level in the blood can provide your doctor with information about how well your kidney are working. When the creatinine is a very major test about kidney, because when your creatinine is high, thus your kidney have many problems and they are not filtration process is good, because it is estimated that how your kidney are doing well and how well your kidney are filtered and their filtration rate. Creatinine is one of the substances that your kidney normally eliminated from the body. Doctors measure the level of creatinine in the blood to check kidney functions. High level of creatinine may indicate that your kidney is damaged or not working. Normal level of kidney is approximately creatinine is 0.6 to 1.2 milligrams per deciliter. In adults, male is 0.5 to 1.1 milligrams per deciliter in adult females. Now we talk about bilirubin. Bilirubin is the test of our liver function test. Bilirubin is made in the body when the hemoglobin protein is all red blood cells in breakdown. This is called jaundice. If bilirubin high, the patients have disorder is jaundice. Many people are called the jaundice. They have the meanings their bilirubin is high. The breakdown of old cell in a normal healthy process. After circulating your blood, bilirubin then travels to your liver. In the liver, bilirubin is conjugated, mixed into bile, and then excreted into the bile duct and stored in your gallbladder. Bilirubin attached by the liver to the glucose derived acid glucuronic acid is called direct or conjugated. Bilirubins are not attached to glucuronic acid is called indirect or conjugated bilirubin. All the bilirubin in your blood together is called total bilirubin. When you measure all the bilirubin in your blood, that is known as total bilirubin. A comprehensive bilirubin blood test will get an accurate count of all three bilirubin levels in your blood: direct, indirect, and total. Normal values is 0 to 0.4, 0 to 3.1.0, and 5.2 in newborn baby. Serum alkaline phosphate is present in a number of tissue including liver, bone, intestine, and placenta. ALP is an interest in diagnosis of two main groups of conditions: hepatobiliary disease and bone disease associated with increased osteoblastic activity. High level when the ALP is high, alkaline phosphate is high, the meaning is osteoblastic bone disease is hyperparathyroidism, rickets, neoplastic bone disease is pregnancy, ossifications as myositis ossificans, and Paget's diseases in pregnancy. Mostly the women have the alkaline phosphate is high. But your low is hypothyroidism, so vitamin C deficiency, folic acid deficiency, malnutrition. Normal value 44 to 147. Serum acid phosphatase descriptions are enzymes. They are enzymes that are capable of hydrolyzing phosphate esters in the acidic environment. Prostatic acid phosphatase, which is produced in the prostates, was the first major serum marker for prostate cancer and was used widely for screening, staging, and post-treatment monitoring. Its use has largely been displayed by PSA. Condition associated with elevations in prostatic acidic phosphatase include the following: prostate cancer, benign prostatic hyperplasia, prostatic infractions, manipulations of prostates through a massage. That's the manipulations of prostate through a massage or rectal examinations. When you have the massage, the reference value of acidic phosphates in 2 nanograms per liter or less. What are protein? Now, the protein is defined as proteins are important building blocks of all cell and tissue. Proteins are necessary for your body's growth, development, and health. Blood contains albumin and globulin. Albumin protein keep fluid from leaking out to your body vessels, and globulin protein play an important role in your immune system. Now, what is total protein test? Albumin and globulin are two types of protein in your body. The total protein test measures the total amount of albumin and globulin in your body. It is used as part of your routine health checkup. It may also be found if you have unexpected weight loss, fatigue, and the symptoms of kidney or liver diseases. Measuring your protein level. The total protein level test measures the total amount of protein in your blood, specifically looks for the amount of albumin and globulin. because they do are of proteins. The normal range of total protein is between 6 to 8.3 grams. The range may vary slightly among laboratories. These ranges are also due to factors such as age, gender, and population. Elevated total protein may indicate inflammations or infections such as viral hepatitis B and C or HIV, human immunodeficiency, whereas bone marrow disorders such as multiple myeloma. Total protein may indicate bleeding, liver disorders, kidney disorders such as nephrotic disorder or glomerulonephritis. Alanine amino transaminase is SGPT. This enzyme is found mainly in your liver, smaller amount of ALT or in your kidney and other organs too. Your body uses ALT to break down food into energy. Normally, ALT level in the blood are low. If your level is damaged, it will release more ALT into your blood and level will rise. ALT used to be called serum glutamic pyruvic transaminase or SGPT is a short term. What is ALT test? The ALT test is blood test that check of liver damage. Your doctor use this test to find out the diseases, drugs, or injury has damaged your liver. Just measure the level of ALT in your blood. ALT in enzymes made by cell in your liver. Your liver does a lot of important things for you. It's make a fluid called bile that help your body digest food. You digest your food. It's remove waste product and other toxins from your blood. It produce protein and cholesterol. Diseases such as hepatitis and cirrhosis can damage your liver and prevent it from doing its many jobs. Their normal level is 7 and 55 units per liters. But these values vary depending on the hospitals. This range can be affected by certain factors including genders and age. It's important to discuss your specific result with your doctor. Abnormal result is higher than normal level of ALT can indicate liver damage, hepatitis which is inflammatory conditions, cirrhosis which is severe scarring of liver, ulcers or many things are different, death of liver tissue, a tumor or cancer in the liver, a lack of blood flow to the liver. Aspartate amino transaminase AST, ALP and ALT is a major test for liver. Aminotransferase is an enzyme that present in various parts of your body. An enzyme is a protein that helps regulate chemical reactions that your body need to function. Is found in highest concentration in your muscles, heart, blood cells and liver. A small amount of AST is typically in your bloodstream. Higher than normal amount of this enzyme in your blood may be sign of a health problem. Any AST level below 40 units per liter in adult is not uncommon. AST test measure the amount of AST in your blood. The test is also known as serum glutamic oxyacetic transaminase test. The purpose of a doctoral AST check liver disease such as hepatitis is usually measured together with ALT. AST to ALT ratio can help your doctor diagnose liver diseases. This ratio can determine if there have been damage to your liver or opposed to damage to your heart or muscles. The test results vary based on laboratory completing the analysis. The range for normal level also differ depending on your sex and age. Your doctor will talk to you about your result and what they mean if AST sign of liver damage. Range normal is 10 to 40 and 7 to 56 per liter. But AST is reported and per liter is between 7 to 56 units per liter in ALT. SGGT is a serum gamma glutamine transferase found in livers, but the liver contribute the largest amount of SGGT to the blood. Although it can be used to evaluate liver diseases, it is widely used in monitoring an alcoholic patient. Relatively small amount of imbibed alcohol can have significant effect on the SGGT. If the patient's and patients have using too much alcohol, you measure the SGT level of their blood, because they are in liver function test parameters, and they measure how much. In the measure they are monitoring alcoholic patients, because how much they are, if they are high level of SGT means the patients are alcoholic and they are using too much alcohol. Alcoholism, liver diseases, gallbladder disease, and pancreatic disease. Normal values: man is 8 to 20 and woman is 4 to 18. Thyroid heredity test for the non-specific measurement of globulins, a group of blood proteins that appears in abnormally high concentration associations with a wide variety of diseases status, notably those affecting the liver. Approximately 80 to 90% of individuals with acute viral hepatitis and 20 to 70% of those with cirrhosis. The test is also used the difference diagnosis of two main types of jaundice. Thyroid heredity is rarely used technique are capable of distinguishing between the different type of globulins and other blood proteins are used instead. This is the introductions, and this is the informations about blood chemistry. If you like this lecture, please like and subscribe my channel for more information. Thank you so much.